In this video, we will show you how to replace your vent hose on the Chevy Silverado with a 5.3 liter engine. This will be located along the passenger side of your engine. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Locate the vent hose right off of your passenger side valve cover, making its way all the way up in this area. Now you don't necessarily have to remove the engine cover from here. You can gently pull up on it, flexing it, and remove the hose. It's a little easier if you do remove the cover. To do that, there's one 8mm headed mounting bolt directly in the center here. Okay, that bolt's gonna stay right in with that cover. We can slide that out of place. With the cover off of here, we can see the upper portion of the hose. Let's start disconnecting this. Just gonna pry it off of there. You can use a hose pick if necessary. There we are. Now we should be able to slide that hose off of the valve cover. There it is, friend. Before installation, let's make sure we clean and inspect the mounting points for the hose. Right up along the top of this plastic intake plenum. It's not cracked or damaged. All the way down on the tube that's located as part of that valve cover. Just give that a quick wipe as well. Make sure it's not rotted or weak. All right, let's get ready to install that vent hose. I'm going to start down at the tube off of the valve cover, and then we'll connect it in up along the top of that intake plenum. Let's get this in position. For this, we want to try to slide it on there as far as possible. Once you do have it on, give it a light tug. We're trying to slide it off. It should not fall off of there. If it is a loose fit for any reason, you can use a wire tie to hold it in place. We're moving up to the top mounting point here. We're just going to slide that hose right on there. Give that a wiggle as well. Let's reinstall our engine cover. For the engine cover, we're going to slide it all the way down along the back. There are two small hooks on that intake plenum. As we bring this down, we're trying to align our mounting bolt port. Go ahead and start that in by hand, and then we'll snug it up. Just want to make sure it's seated properly here. I don't want to cross thread it. All right, it's started in. Let's snug it up. Once that's bottomed out, we're only going to take it a tiny bit further and then go ahead and give this a wiggle. It should be able to move around a little bit, but definitely not lift up and out of place. Okay, friend, we finished our installation. The next thing that you need to do is hop in the passenger compartment. Start up the vehicle, let it run for a short while. Make sure you have no running condition, no check engine light, close the hood, and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.